Hey everybody. So this is the Mangrove, Phuket by Blue Monkey. So you can walk into the shower or the bathtub on the balcony. And here's the bathroom. We just checked in. And you got like a little kitchen area, a couple of bar stools. We got all our stuff. We already unpacked. And check this out. We got the fridge, the microwave, little TV, smart TV. Here's a little kitchen area with the bars. It's nice. Really nice decor. Wonder where Andy's at. A little desk. Oh, there's Andy.
Hi, boy.
I didn't even see you there.
Welcome to the Blue Monkey Resort in
What-
Phuket, Thailand.
What do you rate this resort?
10.
A 10? Perfect
Beautiful.
10?
Yeah.
Perfect 10. So here's their logo, Blue Monkey. Look at the ceiling, guys. Look how high the ceiling is. Look at that. Mosquito net. We got the air con. Really nice decor. There's lights up there in the corner that'll probably light up the ceiling at night. And look, another desk. And then here's that view. Look at this view. So we got the end. What's the room number, Andy?
312.
So this is room 312, guys. If anybody's coming to Thailand. We don't have a neighbor, so we can play the YouTube music really loud. And then we're gonna turn this tub into like a cold plunge pool. Because this is March 2020, March 2026. I think it's March 7th or 6th. I don't know. We've been here so long. We're gonna make that a plunge pool because it's very hot. So I think that's about it. And let me show you what it looks like, the entrance. They're doing some construction. So, but see again, we have no neighbor. Check it out. See, there's no neighbor here. We're on the end, on the second floor. I'll show you what it looks like out here. So, it's pretty cool. We're on the second floor. And then we're gonna rent another scooter. You can park a scooter here and it won't get wet if it rains. And look at the view over here. Look at this. It's so nice. So room 312, guys. And that's it. Really nice. Say goodbye, Andy.
Bye, babe.
Bye.